Welcome back to Rituals. Okay, so in today's video, I got a sneaker unboxing for you guys, and not just any sneaker unboxing. Today we got some high-end luxury sneakers, aka Gucci Rythons, and I think I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm not sure. If I'm not, in the comment section below, go ahead and correct me. I'll give you guys 4 rings. Anyway, with that being said, let's jump right into the video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I do shoe reviews, I do money financial tips, I do things like gaming videos, like product reviews, things of that nature. So if you're into all that kind of stuff, then most definitely this is the page for you. If you want to see more car content, go over to my other YouTube channel, Beamer Bandits. That's right, just like the merch right here. If you want the merch, beamerband.com. With that being said, you guys aren't here for that today. You guys are here to see the shoe review. So let's get right into it. Alright, so this is the pickup from Gucci. Right here. This is your Gucci box. Of course, here's the actual sneaker box right here. The nice green that they're doing, as you guys can see. Pretty dope box. You guys have seen boxes before. This one right here comes with your standard Gucci tissue, of course, like that. You got your shoe bags here. So came with 2 of those, by the way. And then you got an extra pair of laces somewhere in here. Here we go. We got an extra pair of laces. Like I said before, you guys did not come here to see a box. You guys did not come here to see a shoe bag, and you guys most definitely did not come here to see some shoe strings. What you guys came here to see was the actual shoe. So, without further delay, here they are. These are dope. Got these in white right here. You guys can see. Let's get this screen to like zoom in on that right there. There we go. So we got the white shoe. This one right here is made of full leather, and it has the inserts. So when you're wearing socks, depending on what color sock you wear, it shows through the whole area here, as you guys can see. Pretty dope aspect, especially since the shoe is full leather. It makes the shoe more breathable, and you guys know when you're wearing leather shoes, it can get really hot, especially out here in Arizona. But these right here, super dope. Here's the inside of the shoe. Gotta make sure we focus on the shoe. Can you guys see that? Okay, hopefully you guys can. Here's the back of the shoe. You got your Gucci logo, as you guys can see right there on the screen. There we go. Zoom in on the shoe, not me. There we go. You got your Gucci print. You got your Gucci colors right here. The green with the red stripes. You guys can see that. Toe box. You got the gun bottom toe box. The gun bottom. And I guess it's a little bit of toe box right here. A little bit of gun bottom around the toe. As you can see. Right there. Good amount of traction. These things are super comfortable. I wear a size 10.5 in Nike USA. But these right here were a size 8 in Gucci. So I think if you are looking to get these in a men's, and you wear 10.5 like me in Nike, you can go down for the Gucci size in like 2 sizes. So with these, I could wear either an 8 or 8.5. All they had left, and these were 8, but they actually fit pretty good. I actually got my foot in a size 7.5, but it was a super tight fit. So I went up a little half size to an 8. These fit perfect. I think if I got an 8.5, it'd have been a little bit looser in the toe box, but I didn't really want that feel. I kind of want these a little bit, not snug, but fitted very well for the aspect of them not coming off, because I don't think I'm going to lace these up. I'm going to keep them loosey-goosey like this. Also, this right here is reflective. The 3M material, all the gray aspects on the shoe, the accents are actually 3M, which means they shine in the dark, which is pretty cool. My wife got a pair. She got the black and neon colors. Maybe she'll let me see those and do a review as well, but stay tuned for that one. But with that being said, these are super dope. If you can get you a pair of these, I recommend you get a pair of these. They're super comfortable, easy to walk in. They look heavy, they look bulky, but they're really not that bad on foot. With that being said, speaking of on foot, let's get to the on foot action right now. wait, before we do that, like I said before, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I do sneaker reviews, product reviews, and then every once in a while I do some money financial tips. So if you're into that kind of stuff, this is the page for you. Once again, smash that subscribe button, turn for notification bell so you'll be in the loop whenever I go and post some of these videos. Now, with that being said, let's go to the on foot